This is how you log in your Instagram account without password.
Welcome to Rich Boy Tech Channel. Let's make money online.
So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to log your Instagram account without password. To do that, you have to log your Facebook. Note your Instagrams won't be connected. The Instagram account needs to be connected to the Facebook account for you to be able to access the Instagram without password. So first of all, you log your Facebook account. You can see this is a Facebook account bearing Frederick Lewis. So with this account now, we're trying to log in the IG connected to this account without having to input username and password. So to know if a Facebook is connected to IG account, you need to go to settings. Then click on see more in account center. Then you can see profile. You can see this account is connected to Facebook. This Instagram account is connected to Facebook. So we are trying to access this IG now. So to access the account, go to instagram.com. Then click on sign in with login with Facebook. Sign in with Facebook. Once you sign in with Facebook, you will see a notification that Instagram wants to connect with your Facebook account. Click on continue. Then when you are done, it will redirect you to the Instagram account. You can see the IG. Yeah, you can see the IG account, Frederick Lewis. This is the Instagram account of the Facebook. So to check if the account is connected to Facebook, you go to settings and check. You will see the IG and Facebook are connected together. You can choose to disconnect it here, or you can choose to leave it here. So if you want to disconnect the Instagram from the Facebook, you go to settings, go to accounts and click on remove. So you can disconnect it with the from the Facebook. You can also disconnect it from the Instagram account. So that is how you go log in IG account without password. So do it to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.